So I'll show you again. This is how you do splishy splashy. I'll do it right on this sheet. So nice and wet. You've got to really have your brush dripping. And pick up your colour and load it up. Drown the brush bristles. Really drown it right up to here. It's got to be drippy. And then you just hold this hand really firm, and this one's going to bounce right from this end. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And you're going to whack the brush on your firm fingers. So this is bouncy soft. This is rock hard. This is a wall. This is for Humpty Dumpty, a brick wall. And so you're going to then, oops, that's good. Tap, 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 change direction, tap, tap. So you get that beautiful look. This one was a big drip straight off the brush, so ignore that one. So you can control it fairly well if you've just practiced it on a great big sheet of paper somewhere separately where your painting's nowhere to be seen. You can see I've moved my painting right out of the way because sometimes the paint spatters a bit further than you think. But it can add a really lovely element to the painting.